passed through multiple stations of more specialist engineering. Start of 1960, robotic equipment was introduced to the process, and today the most car are produced largely with automated machinery from many units and United States leading the world of total automobile production. With USA the victory, General Motor, Ford Motor Company registering the world as the three largest auto manufacturer for a time, and GM and Ford remaining the two largest until mid 2000. In 1929, before the fleet, in 1922 before the peak in this world has 32 lakh 28,500 automobile in the use of which of the lesser than 90% produced by the US automobile industries. At the time, at the time, US had can 4.87% after 1945. The US production around three quarters of world auto production in 1980. The US was greater in Japan and they become a world leader again in 1994. Japan narrow passed with the US production of year 2006 to 2007 and 2008, and China, uh, which in 2009 took the top spot from Japan with the 13.8 million units, through the US exports. Japan 2011 to become the second largest automobile industry in 2017. China reached this top recent more than 29 millions produced vehicle, which was the so far largest margin from that US from 1970. 140 model over 1998, 260 models, 260 models 2012, 684 models of the number automobile models US and grow expectedly. Safety is also automobile main articles of safety. Safety is the state of employees being protect from any risk, danger, damage of causes of injury in the automotive industry. Safety means that use operator of manufacturer do not face any risk or danger coming from the motor vehicle or its spare parts. Safety for more automobiles themselves implies that there are no risk damage. Safety is the automotive industry is the practically important and thereof highly regulated. Automobiles and other motor vehicle have to comely with a certain number of regulation, whatever a local international, in order to be accepted of the automobile standard ISO 26262 and considered one of the best practice fireworks from achieving the automotive functionally safety. In case of issue, danger product detect of faulty procedure during the manufacturing the uh, motor vehicles, the maker can request to either a batch of entire production run. Process is called produce recall. Produce recalls happen is very industry and can be production related from raw material product and operation. Let's inspection of different strategy of the value chain are made with avoid these production mean the production requirement. However, the automobile industry is still particular concerned about product recall, which case of considerable financial and consequences. In 2007, there was about 806 million cars and light truck of the road consuming 98 billion liters um, of gasoline and diesel fuel yearly. The automobile is the primary mode of transportation for the many developed economics. The Detroit branch of Western Concert Group, protected by 2014, and third of world world of demand would be for BRICS, Madrid, Brazil, Russia, India, and China Mansville in development countries and automotive industry has solved. It is expected that trend will continue, especially as young generation of people in high unraised countries no longer want to own a car and prefer other mode of transport. Other personally powerful automotive market and Iran and Indonesia and emerging automobile makers already buy more cars than established markets. According to Power of Study, JD Power of Study, JD emerging market according to 51% of global like sales 2016. The study of parameter and 2010 expectation trend exudate how it more. However, the more recent report 2012 confirmed the opposite, namely that the automotive industry was slowing down. Even BRICS country in the United States vehicle sales peak 2070.8 million units in July 2021. The European Commission related it logistic package, which constitute important guidelines for the future automotive industry. All new car European market must do zero emission vehicle from 2035. The government of countries and group measure car manufacturing, including GM Motor, Volvo, BM, Vauxhall, Jaguar, Land Rover, Mercedes-Benz committed to work towards the sales new car van bringing zero emission by no later than 2035. The leading marketing major car manufacturing reaction like the United States, Germany, China, Japan was Volkswagen, Toyota, Peugeot, Honda, Nissan, Hyundai did not plus the environment impact the global automotive industry, a major consumer of water. Some estimate surplus 18,000 liters, 39 IMP of water per car manufacturing, depending on whether type production process that uses significant volume. Water includes surface treatment, painting, coating, washing, cooling, air conditioner, and boiler and coating. Pet manufacturing, by paint shop operation, and consumer, especially large amounts of water because equipment running or water waste production must also cleared with water. In 2022, Telsa Tesla brandings ran into the legal challenge due to drought of filing groundwater level, and the reason Barbuda Economic Minister George Stan said that water supply was sufficient during the would be first stage would be more would be needed once Telsa expand the side. The factory will nearly double of water consumption in the Gorhad area with the 1.4 million cubic meter being the contracted from the local authority per year. Of the city of around 40,000 people, spend the said the third world, like drill and more water. There is a outsource of additional supply. World motor vehicle production 1960, 1970, 99, 2000, difference China, India, and China 2.4, India, Korea, Brazil, Mexico, Rose, United States, America, Germany, France, United Kingdom, all spectrum of graphics on 1997, 54, 54 lakh 434,000, 43,000, and 1998, 52 lakh 987.56 2.8 something, and 2075 2493. And so today is a complete automobile industries India. Or next to week, I would like to introduce companies, automobile companies. reports, dealings, and I have to introduce the Tata Group's, Tata Motors, especially, which is the one of the most trusted company in India, and I have explained all details, sales, marketing strategies, and sales dealers, commercial, passenger, all type, discuss with my new blogs for next week. Thank you very much. Jai Mata Di. Jai Mata Di again. Thank you very much.